Treasure Valley. Can we go with the red, the green, or the blue? All classy. Oh Lord. Carpet buying. So many options to choose from. This is a lot. This is a lot. Oh my God, there's so much more. And these are a lot more money. That made it easy. Oh wait. This is all tile. None of this is wood. Back. What if we did this?
That's not quite our style, I think, Steve.
It'd be classy though.
Are we classy like that?
No, we're not classy like that.
But even if the trim by the kitchen is this brown, it will be okay.
Okay. Well, then I say we just do it.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's fine. And if I don't like it, then I can blame you for like years and years and years.
Oh, thank you.
Final selection. Whatever color wood that is. What color wood is that? Larchmont. Satin. I don't know. With... I can't see the names because you're covering the names. Dove. 800 Dove in the main house. And in the apartment, Ash Grove. Let's do this. All right, so the flooring guys came and ripped out the wood that was in the sunken living room. And then it took 6, count them, 6 bags of leveler to make it so that they could actually lay tile starting tomorrow. So now we've got some fans on it. And this time tomorrow, I would imagine we would have most of the wood tile done. One bad part about having leveling go down is that I cannot get upstairs to do the painting that I needed to do. So I was gonna work on the game room tonight. Turns out that's not gonna happen because we've got the blue tape of doom saying that you shall not pass. So hopefully, we'll be able to get up there tomorrow to actually do the painting that I need to do so that we can be ready for carpet in a few more days. All right, and just like that, after about a 6-hour install, the floor is done. God, it looks just like wood, but that is porcelain tile for you. Tomorrow, we get carpet in the house, but man, it looks really, really good. Look at this. You can hardly even see the grout lines. It's just gorgeous. And I actually really love the brick and the way it looks with it. So we got to work on changing some of the lighting in here, but I think once that's done, we got to get on some corner round, but that's for another day. But feeling pretty good. All right. Carpet going in. Looks good. In the midst of getting new carpet, it's being installed as we speak. We've got a 1/2-inch foam pad underneath. You can kind of see the color of the carpet in this light. Looks good. Oh man, this is gonna look great. There we go. A lot of work. Did I mention that all this is happening while it's raining outside and then it's going to be freezing temperatures? So, you know, freezing temperatures, rain, let's put in some carpet and let's move. Sure, why not? think one of the funny things that you never see in the videos is we focus so much on the new house, but when we would get done working there, we were still in the old house and still packing. There was about a 2-week overlap where we were finishing up and still getting things closed up on the old house and getting ready to go. Lots of Lego boxes and lots of the beer bottle collection, and you name it, it all had to get packed. But in the end, we got it done and the carpet got in, and ultimately we were ready for moving day. What we didn't know is that moving day kind of tied into one of the coldest winter snaps in recent Houston history. So it's interesting to say the least. All right, it's the coldest weekend in Houston in literally decades, and we are moving. It is so cold and so windy, but it's dry, so we're gonna do this. So it's gonna be a little crazy, but we're gonna get it done. Here we go. Did I mention it's cold? Did I mention it's almost freezing? Good times.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Okay, we're at the end of day one of the move. I'm exhausted. So we've done a lot. We've got movers coming for the heavy stuff tomorrow morning. I get them for 2 hours, and then it's the final push to get it done before Snowmageddon, because it's supposed to get way cold. It's about 33 degrees outside right now, and it actually feels pretty good. But it's been a successful day. Again, as usual, lots have gotten done. Lots more needs to get done. So, pretty good start.